Good evening to each and everyone. Good evening to whoever that is listening to me. Today we are going to talk about these drinks that have been trading nowadays. The drinks that have been taking the lives of Rwandans. The drinks that have been taking the lives of our wives, the drinks that have been taking the lives of our children. That's what I'm coming to talk about. And what does the Bible say about these drinks? First of all, let's first take Mirinda. Yeah, Mirinda is good. Mirinda is good, and that's why I encourage you to take Mirinda if you are a Christian. Take a banana if you are a Christian. And if you want God to be with you, avoid the other drinks, avoid other fruits, apart from bananas, apart from the drink called Mirinda. These drinks so-called Nguvu, these drinks so-called cognac, some of them are exported by Ugandans. And when you talk about the expulsion of these drinks from Uganda, from Kenya, Uganda think that they are doing good thing to Rwandans, but they don't know how their drinks are taking the lives of Rwandans. And I'm here to proclaim, I'm here to talk about the bad effects of these drinks. These drinks must be handled carefully. Whoever is having ibyuma in his store, he must be taken to the prison. I know how wrong. I know how this alcohol have destroyed. Many people have become old because of taking these drinks. But why? Why can't you take soft drinks like Mirinda rather than taking drugs like Kiwing that is destroying your life, that is destroying your future, that is killing your destiny? I don't know why you like these things. Kiwing and Nguvu have killed many people. Many girls have been raped. Many women have been raped. Children have been kidnapped because of these drinks, because of Kiwing. And when I stand here talking about these drinks, I appreciate the government of Rwanda that have been taking follow-up of these drinks. I have been seeing many people advertising drinks like Kiwing, drinks like Nguvu, drinks like Musehendi Chai, and these drinks, they are very cheap. They are very cheap compared to other drinks, whereby one chuma or one bottle, it costs 1,500. And once you consume one, you are almost dying. You are almost dead. And why can't you fight? Why can't you? I'm not happy for the people that have been selling these drinks.